Hammer. The most common reason people stop using the Business Buys at home because they get bored no matter how much you use your phone or watching TV. At the same time, you are still in the same place where you started? Have a solution with MPR. You'll be transported to another dimension or exercising becomes fun and challenging. Combining exercise with game really makes you lose track of your body and you push your limits even further. You can even keep in contact with his friends and family. How are you? Take a ride together. Our games are designed to be fun even after playing them for 1,000 times. Have VR has pad on the contactless design. Meeting the air can flow through and nothing is pressing against your face. It does all that, while keeping the immersion and without getting uncomfortable. EcoFlow Delta Pro. The first portable home battery, with an expandable, ecosystem designed to store energy, so you can use it at any time. The Delta Pro ecosystem connects directly to your home with the new EcoFlow Smart, which immediately reroutes to Delta Pro to provide uninterrupted power during emergencies. Power outages are no longer a problem. as Delta Pro keeps your entire home fully powered, even high wattage appliances in the daily. Use the ecosystem, reduces your reliance on the grid, saving money on your energy bills. The EcoFlow app gives you full control over your home circuits, and lets you manage your power consumption. If you need another way to power high voltage devices, connect to Delta Pro units together. During emergencies, the new EcoFlow Smart Generator provides cost-effective and efficient power compared to using a traditional gas generator alone. Delta Pro takes innovation even further, introducing Flow Charge, the world's first charging technology that lets you charge anywhere. The new EcoFlow's solar tracker automatically follows the position of the sun to improve power generation at home. Plug Delta Pro into any wall outlet to fully charge in 2.5 hours. Thanks to Extreme, the world's fastest portable power station charging technology. For the first time ever, you can charge Delta Pro at any heating level 2 charging station. All this and more make Delta Pro the most powerful portable power solution, because Delta Pro isn't just a portable home battery. So, way to power. Atawakatore. A superpower-inspired, shielded, four-arm wandering. This mechanical watch with the spirit of the gracing. This time, we decide to put time drifts on your wrist, with a breathtaking profile curve shaped in design. And now the King O. Drinky Smart Dispenser. That rinses your pet's bowl for you. All you have to do is to fill the freshwater tank and set the smart app with just a few clicks. The Pulse system will automatically fill the dish with clean and fresh water. It will rinse the dish as many times as you set, moving straight Whiskers food particles into a separate airtight tank far from your Pinky Bluff bomb. Rinse them underwater and fill the water again. You're on vacation for a business trip. No props drinking. We'll supply your fur friend with clean water for 5 days. Made from 100% safe, but free materials. Drinking is the best gift for your pet and yourself. Drinking habits to prevent potential disease. By inputting the health parameters of your pet into the app, the smart system will calculate the optimum water intake of your pet and monitor your pet's drinking habit in real time. If your pet's drinking habit is different from its usual, the smart system will take measure to attract your pet to drink. With the smart app, You can not only get notified when the water level in the dispenser is low and check out the dispenser status. The dispensers also pretty easy to clean. Once the wastewater tank is full, take it out along with the clean water tank and dish. Rinse them underwater and fill the water again. You're on vacation for a business trip. No props drinking. We'll supply your fur friend with clean water for 5 days. Made from 100% safe, PFAS-free materials. Drinking is the best gift for your pet and yourself.